Hello, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see, we've got the two Files app, but I recommend going to Google one. Now, we've got access to our downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, and apps. Also, we can manage our collections and internal storage. Then we can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files. And next, we can use clean function to clean junk files from the smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.